Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRIL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations were coming from. But after today's pullback price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update I'm going to do is just actually adjust this level of support downwards. Now that we have more data, it's quite apparent that right here around this $1.22 mark is where the level of support is. You can see that's right where it bounced earlier on in the day. And once again, on a couple other occasions, price got right down around that area. So that is certainly going to be that initial area of support to watch. The one dynamic there to keep in mind is, the direction that it had to be adjusted. And when levels of support are being adjusted downwards, that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. It doesn't mean the chart is destroyed. But it is something where, that's not the ideal situation. Ideally, you want to see support levels being adjusted higher, but the opposite was the case here. So again, it doesn't mean the end of the world, but something that needs to be noted. In the event, though, this $1.22-ish area does not hold up, the next key level of support you would then want to turn your attention to is the purple line there, the very famous 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at $1.16. So again, right around $1.22, and then the 50-period moving average are going to be the key levels of support going into next week. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm just going to go ahead and use one of these lines since those areas way up there aren't really relevant right now. First key level to watch is going to be the top portion of this channel that formed throughout the course of the day, and that's right here at $1.35. You can see $1.35 rejected the price there, and then a couple other times this afternoon. So that'll be public enemy number one, and then if the price can get up through there, that $1.60 mark would be the next key focal point to watch. But no point really in talking any further about $1.60 until the price can first prove itself in the near term. And again, how am I defining, prove itself, quote unquote? Well, keep an eye on that $1.35 mark, and if the price can get above there, like I said, that would be a great step in the right direction. So overall, not the greatest way to end the week, but overall the trend is still upward. So let's see how next week, how all that takes care of itself next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.